Okay, and I'm back with another Captivz egg video. I've got 6 minutes of battery life remaining, so let's get to it. I would grab the charger, but I'm not sure how far away it is. Or where it is. So let's dive right in. I've already unboxed a few eggs, or I guess unpacked, or opened, I guess. There we go. I opened a few eggs in the past 2 videos. If you're just watching this now, go check out the last 2 on my page. And they'll kind of fill you in on everything. But basically, to recap, I'm opening these to find doubles for some friends on Instagram, as I've basically already completed my collection. And yeah, so we're hoping to get doubles we don't really get doubles of. I only have 1 Delta, 1 Indoraptor, so we're trying to get those, but we keep pulling brachiosauruses, we keep pulling mosasauruses. It seems to be all of these are just like repetitive. Again, proving the point that if you buy eggs from all of the same box, you're gonna get just a certain number of the same species. So let's put this brachio together. Which is fine, I guess, but I definitely want to complete a few other sets to send to friends, because we can't just keep pulling all these brachios, moses, and rexes. Yeah, so it seems like on here, on the pamphlet, it says that, it says, ooh, this pamphlet's wet. Okay, anyways, it's weird, it's like moist, it's like damp paper. I guess some of the goo came out. So yeah, no, it says that these are common, these are rare, and then we've got ultra rare over here. But we keep pulling moses, rexes, and brachios, and we rarely ever pull triceratops. We pull a lot of pteranodons, but we never pull echo, and the triceratops, and the indoraptor. So it might be either it's just coincidence. I mean, I bought loads of these, so it's kind of like my sample size is increasing every time I buy a set of 5. It seems like those are actually the rare ones and the common ones, but I could be wrong. Again, it just could be complete luck that I haven't ever gotten those, except for once. I got them once, because again, I completed it, but maybe I'm just not pulling from the right boxes. Oh, I'm gonna need some paper towel. I think next time, I wanted to do this video outside, but, oh, we got 3 minutes left. I wanted to do this video outside, but there's a lot going on out there, lots of neighbors talking and doing stuff, so I had to do it inside, where the lighting's not the best. So much apologies for that, but it shouldn't really change the experience that much. Let's see. Oh, is it different? I think it's different. I think we got a triceratops again. This is our 2nd triceratops this day. Nice. So we're getting a figure that I don't pull that much of. That's good. So now we got 2 triceratopses today. This one seems to be a darker shade, like a they washed it a bit darker than the last one. You can see there's a lot of detail in the frill, a lot of detail in the body. Really nice figure. Love the triceratops that Captivz does. I can't remember if they have triceratops in the Camp Cretaceous line. Probably not. I know they have a different Sinoceratops. I think it's darker. But yeah. Let's see what's in here. Hopefully Indoraptor. Definitely want to get another Indoraptor. There's a big tub of goo. I've already got like a huge bag now. It's so heavy. Just piles up. Oh, I'm gonna cut it. Oh, this bag's a little thinner. It could be a mosa. I don't want it to be a mosa. We've pulled like 3 of them today, and we've already pulled 4 brachios. Oh, we're on our last minute. Let's speed run this. No, it's another mosa. Oh my goodness, no. Oh, so we got 4 mosas and 4 brachios. This is tragic. That's absolutely just. Okay. Well, maybe there's a lot of people out there who want a mosa. Who knows? Okay. That wraps it up. We went over time, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.